Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about how I turn 100,000 to 1.11 thousand. So the coin I use to do this is Luna coin, Luna Classic. I need to say the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you watch in this video is for educational purpose. So mind you, cryptocurrency is a risk asset. So contact your financial advisor if you need any financial advice. Let me get into the video. The coin I use is Luna Classic. Luna Classic is technically a Luna coin that fell from 200 euro to like a zero. If you know this, and the let's say proverb or the way of investing in market, stock market generally, he said when others are fearful, you can be greedy, and when others are greedy, you will be fearful. So I think I saw this coin is down like 0.004.123. I just think like at least this coin can make can go up, like turn this 40 to 30. Like a lot of people are wanting this coin to go back to at least $1, but for this coin to go to $1 is going to take a lot of time, then a lot of more token burn. So that's when the token can go back to maybe $1 or maybe 1 cent. Mind you, I just hope, okay, at least if this coin can cancel 10 and I can sell this coin 0.004. That's I will make 10x of my money I invest in this. Then I made the decision that if I lose this money, I know what I'm getting myself into. So as time goes on, the token keep going up. Then it came down again. Then it goes sideways for like a month. After going sideways, normally when crypto or any assets, stock or any chart go sideways, if the coin will break out, it will go up a lot or it will go down a lot. So either way, if it break to the upside is going to go up a very much, like big move, because it's in range trading, going up and down in short way. So basically that's when I know that, oh, not bad. Hopefully I know that this crypto is risk investment. I just wait, then I see the 20 EMA is under this price, then it's still going up. Then I keep following the price. Then when the price hits this 0.00423, yeah, when this, because I don't want to sell the coin before, I don't want to send the coin back. I don't want to sell the coin. I believe we can like do 20, like take out 20, like not only 3. But once this go up like 0.0059 and it keep falling, I just decide it's better to sell this coin. Then I send around 0.00400. So I make over 10x of this money back. Calculator 0.000412. No. 0.0000435. Then times, because I sell around 0.00004, maybe 3 or 8, I cannot remember. Let me say times 10. So so I sell over. That's why I said 1 million plus. So I sell, my initial investment went from 100,000 times, because I'm going to times this 10. So that's 1 million. So I sell like maybe 1 point upper. So that's where I see I have this and 1 million plus. So that was how I made the calculation and how I arrive at the 1 million. That's basically 900 profit, 900,000 profit. So basically, in crypto, you have to be in the right place, in the right place at the right time. So that's how I turn my investment from 100,000 to 1 million plus. So I don't. I've said the coin to BNB. I don't want to show this and how much I have in my account, because it's very risky to show your balance and your identity in cryptocurrency community, to not open yourself to maybe internet attack or another dangerous thing that can happen to you or your asset. So that's how I turn 100,000 to 1 million naira, basically. If you get value in this video and you want to know more about coin to buy, this is only financial advice. You can subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll be making a video about coin that has potential to invest in, so you can times 3 times 4 times 100 your investment. This is not a financial advice. Make sure you make a research about cryptocurrency, the risk and reward. So that's what I did basically. So I'm just in the right place at the right time.